Today, we're going to begin the lesson. I'm going to read a story, a little book. The title is 100 Hungry Ants by Eleanor Husted. Hey, Caleb, will you turn that down, please?
It's the remote.
Okay, then you have to pay attention. A whole hill of hungry ants, their faces all aglow, came swarming from the forest to cross the field below. A soft breeze fanned the sunshine and whisked them on their way. It hinted of yummies for their empty tummies. That means a picnic. Hooray! How about I just read it? 100 ants were singing and marching in a row. We're going to a picnic. A hey and a hi-dee ho. Stop, said the littlest ant. We're moving way too slow. Some food will be long gone unless we hurry up, so with 2 lines of 50, we'd get there soon. I know. Bottom up. All the ants raced here and there, up, down, and to and fro. There'll be lots of yummies for our hungry tummies. A hey and a hi-dee ho. "100 ants were singing and marching in 2 rows. We're going to a picnic. A hey and a hi-dee ho." You see they're in 2 rows now?
Yeah.
Stop, yelled the littlest ant. We're moving way too slow. More of the food will be gone unless we hurry up, so with 4 lines of 25, we'd get there soon, I know. All the ants raced here and there, up and down, and to and fro. We hope there's yummies for our rumbling tummies. A hey and a hi-dee ho. Now they're in 4 lines. 100 ants were singing and marching in 4 rows. We're going to a picnic. A hey and a hi-dee ho. Stop, screamed the littlest ant. We're moving way too slow. Lots of food will long be gone unless we hurry up, so with 5 lines of 20, we'd get there soon, I know. All the ants raced here and there, up, down, and to and fro. There might be a yummy for a gurgling tummy. Hey and a hi-dee ho. They keep splitting up the line, don't they? 100 ants were singing and marching in 5 rows. We're going to a picnic. A hey and a hi-dee ho. Stop, shrieked the littlest ant. We're moving way too slow. All the food will be gone unless we hurry up, so with 10 lines of 10, we get there soon, I know. All the ants raced here and there, up, down, and to and fro. There better be yummies for our grumbling tummies. A hey and a hi-dee ho. What do you think 10 lines of 10 would equal?
100.
100 ants? 100 ants were singing and marching in 10 rows. At last we're at a picnic. A hey and a hi-dee ho. Stop, yipped the littlest ant. We've traveled way too slow. There's no food for us to eat. You took so long with rows. All the ants raced here and there, up, down, and to and fro. There aren't any yummies for our growling tummies. A hey and a hi-dee ho. Oh no! "99 ants were swarming from each and every row in hot pursuit of one little ant who quickly turned to go. It's not all my fault, you know." You see the picture? He was trying to help them, wasn't he? Okay, well, yes, that's the end. Let's talk about the story for a minute. Was there a problem to be solved in the story?
They were going too slow.
They were going too slow, so how did the littlest ant try to solve that problem?
Put them up in rows.
Yes, he did. Do you think it helped them? Oh, maybe, yeah. They were still too late, weren't they?
So they must flow.
Yep. Okay, today we're going to try to solve another problem that someone might face traveling through the woods. Okay? What I'm going to do is pass out green construction paper. This is going to represent the woods. Okay, because there's lots of green trees in the woods. So everybody take a piece of green paper, pass those around. And in the woods, there's going to be trails that we're going to travel. And these tan sticks here are going to represent the trails in the woods. Each one of us are going to have, just grab a few and pass them around. And then we're going to have creeks. And the creeks are the blue sticks. Okay, there's going to be creeks in the woods. You'll need at least 3 of the tan sticks and at least 4 blue. Just take a few and pass them around. Okay, now with all of these materials, we're going to create a map in our woods. So, what I would like for you to do is take 3 of your tan sticks and glue them first, up and down, vertical, on your paper. And those represent 3 trails in the woods. And then put 4 blue sticks going across. Trying to show you the video. That's what I've got here. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to figure out how many bridges would we need. We're going to pretend like these creeks are deep, and we're traveling down the trail, and we get to the creek, and we need a bridge. And how many bridges do you predict that we'll need in these woods?
3.
3 bridges?
Yeah.
Why do you think we'll need 3 bridges?
Because I like 3 bridges on my map.
You would like them to be? Well, we're going to try to figure out exactly how many we need.
What was 3 for what?
The blue is the water. The blue is the creek.
Oh, and you're going up the track?
Yeah, you're going down the trail, and then all of a sudden you come to this water, and you're going to have a bridge to leap over the water. So traveling around, you're going to have another bridge to leap over the creek.
4.
And then another bridge. So how many bridges would you need on trail number 1? 4. 4. 4. So Bailey, did you predict how many bridges you're going to need altogether? How many do you think we're going to need? 12? You think she's right?
Yeah. You just have to count each one.
That's right. If you have 4 creeks and 3 trails, how could you write that in equation form?
3 times 4.
4.
4 times 3.
Either way, like this, right?
Or 12 to the
No, we're not doing division today. So if you have 3 times 4, that would be 12, or 4 times 3 is 12. Then I would like for you to place an extra couple of sticks on your paper. What I want you to do is just put 2 more blue ones on there.
Okay.
So that you have 6 creeks.
You're going to have to come down, please.
Lay them down. If you put 2 more creeks on there, you'd have 6 creeks. What if you only had 1 trail? Cover up 2 trails. Cover up the 2, so you only have 1 trail.
You don't need 6.
You don't need 6 bridges? Very good. So how would you write that in equation form?
1 times 6.
The 1 represents what?
The 1 trail.
Right. 1 times 6 is 6.
Or you could do it 6 times 1.
Or 6 times 1. Very good.
Mine was
Either way.
sticky.
Now then, what if There were no trails. You just had creeks in these woods, and there's no trails. How many bridges would you need if there's no trails?
Well, it depends on how many creeks you have. If you have 6.
If you have 6 creeks
And no trails?
and no trails, what is no trails? 0.
Oh. 0.
How many bridges would you need? Very good.
So we're not even in the woods.
You're in the woods, but you're not on the trail.
But you're just walking around.
You're just walking around.
Or what if you stumble upon a creek? So then you turn around.
That's right. You'd have to make a trail. You can make a trail, and then you can create a bridge. How about that?
Okay.
But that, okay, well, we've looked at all that. What I want you to do is on an index card, I'm going to pass these around. I want you to write in equation form, like I did, on these index cards. Write a word problem that represents what you've got glued here on your map, which would be what?
Cake and having hope.
It'd be 3 times 4 is 12, or 4 times 3 equals 12. Write that on your card. Then on the back of it, what I want you to do is write a word problem that is representing the same equation. And then we'll share them with each other when we're done. Okay? Very good.
What is it?